Have you ever wondered what the differences are between crocodiles and alligators? Well, brace yourself for an epic exploration into the anatomy of these incredible reptiles. Let's start with the snouts. Alligators have a broad U-shaped snout, while crocodiles sport a more pointed V-shaped snout. This difference isn't just for show, it's a reflection of their preferred prey. Alligators, with their wider snouts, are better equipped to crack open hard-shelled turtles, while the sharper pointed snout of crocodiles is perfect for catching a variety of prey, from fish to mammals. Next up, their teeth. An alligator's upper jaw is wider than its lower one, so when its mouth is closed, you can only see its upper teeth. On the other hand, a crocodile's upper and lower jaws are the same width, so when it shuts its mouth, the interlocking teeth are exposed, giving it that famous toothy grin. Now let's talk about their scales and tails. Alligators have smoother scales than crocodiles, and their tails are more rounded. Crocodiles, on the other hand, have a more rugged look, with their pointier, osteoderm-laden scales, and a more V-shaped tail, which assists in quick, sideways movements in water. These anatomical differences are not just skin deep. They reflect the respective lifestyles and survival strategies of these two creatures. The alligator's broader snout and stronger jaw muscles are perfect for a diet of shelled creatures, while the crocodile's streamlined body and tail make it a swift predator in both land and water. So, while they may look similar at first glance, crocodiles and alligators are distinct in their anatomy, each perfectly adapted for their unique way of life. These differences are a testament to the marvel of evolution, reflecting how each species has adapted to thrive in their respective habitats. A showdown of anatomy indeed. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of reptiles in our next segment. We'll be exploring the diverse habitats of these magnificent creatures. So, until then, keep your curiosity piqued and your sense of adventure alive. Now that we've examined their physical differences, where can we find these incredible creatures? Crocodiles and alligators, two of the most formidable reptiles on the planet, can be found in diverse habitats across the world. From the murky swamps of the American South to the winding rivers of the African savanna, these predators have adapted to thrive in a variety of environments. Let's start with the alligators. These creatures are largely freshwater dwellers, preferring the calm and tranquil environments of lakes, ponds, and marshes. They're primarily found in the southeastern United States, particularly in states like Florida and Louisiana. However, you can also encounter alligators in the Yangtze River of China, the only place outside of the US where they are found in the wild. Crocodiles, on the other hand, are a more cosmopolitan bunch. They inhabit a wider range of habitats, including both freshwater and saltwater environments. From the Nile River in Africa, the rivers of the Americas, to the mangrove swamps of Southeast Asia, and even the arid landscapes of Australia, crocodiles have a knack for making virtually any aquatic environment their home. Now, let's talk about their geographical distribution. While alligators are primarily a North American and Chinese phenomenon, crocodiles have a much broader range. They can be found across the globe, with species scattered across the Americas, Africa, Asia, and Australia. In some areas, such as the southern tip of Florida, crocodiles and alligators even share the same habitats. It's one of the few places in the world where these two reptilian titans coexist, each carving out their own niche in the ecosystem. However, whether they're living side by side or continents apart, one thing remains the same. Crocodiles and alligators are true masters of their habitats. Their unique adaptations, from their armored skin to their powerful jaws, allow them to dominate their environments and stand their ground against any threats that come their way. Despite their different habitats, both crocodiles and alligators prove they are masters of their environments. What's on the menu for these formidable predators? A question that stirs intrigue, and one we're about to answer as we dive into the hunting behaviors of crocodiles and alligators. Starting with crocodiles, these ancient hunters are all about stealth and surprise. Equipped with powerful jaws, they lurk beneath the water's surface, waiting patiently for their prey to come within striking distance. When the moment is right, they explode out of the water, seizing their meal with a vice-like grip. From fish to zebras, crocodiles aren't fussy eaters. They are opportunistic predators, eating anything they can get their jaws around. Alligators, on the other hand, prefer a slightly different approach. While they can also launch powerful ambush attacks, they often prefer to use their massive bodies to overpower their prey. Alligators are known to eat a variety of foods, from fish and turtles to birds and mammals. But they're also known to take on larger prey, like deer and boars, demonstrating their strength and adaptability. Both crocodiles and alligators play a crucial role in their ecosystems. As apex predators, they help control the population of other species, maintaining the balance of life in their habitats. Their hunting behaviors not only reflect their unique adaptations, but also their survival strategies in the wild. However, there's more to their feeding behavior than just the hunt. Crocodiles and alligators also partake in what's known as death roll, a technique where they roll their bodies to tear off chunks of their prey. It's a chilling display of their raw power and a testament to their predatory prowess. And let's not forget about their teeth. With around 80 sharp teeth at their disposal, both crocodiles and alligators are well equipped for a life of predation. When one tooth falls out, another one grows in its place, ensuring they're always ready for their next meal. Whether it's a stealthy ambush or a powerful strike, crocodiles and alligators are fearsome hunters, each with their unique approach. From their choice of prey to their hunting techniques, these ancient predators continue to fascinate us with their extraordinary feeding and hunting behaviors. How do these ancient reptiles ensure their survival through generations? To answer that, let's delve into the captivating realm of crocodilian reproduction. The dance of life for both alligators and crocodiles commences with courtship rituals that are as intriguing as they are integral to their survival. For crocodiles, this might involve a series of jaw-slapping sounds on the water's surface, while alligators might opt for a display of their impressive size and strength. Following courtship, the females of both species display remarkable nest-building behaviors. Whether it's the alligator mother diligently piling up vegetation to create a warm, humid nest, or the crocodile mom digging a hole in a sandy riverbank, their efforts are geared towards providing a safe haven for their unhatched young. But the journey doesn't stop there. Once the eggs are laid, the mothers showcase an astonishing level of parental care rarely seen in reptiles. They stand guard over their nests, vigilantly warding off potential predators. And when the time comes, they help their tiny offspring make the perilous journey from the nest to the water, a testament to their inherent maternal instincts. But what about the social dynamics within their communities? Well, crocodiles and alligators are far from being solitary creatures. They exhibit a complex web of social interactions, marked by territorial displays, and dominance hierarchies. While confrontations can occur, they are usually resolved with displays of size and strength rather than physical fights. Interactions with other species are also a part of their social tapestry. Whether it's a symbiotic relationship with birds that pick off parasites from their tough skin, or the occasional shared meal with other predators, these reptiles are integral components of their ecosystems. So, there we have it. The circle of life for these formidable creatures is as intricate as it is fascinating. From courtship to care, crocodiles and alligators have fascinating social and reproductive behaviors that ensure their survival. What threats do these powerful creatures face, and how can we ensure their survival? Ponder upon this as we delve into the survival strategies and conservation efforts for our fearsome friends, the crocodiles and alligators. Despite their tough exterior and reputation as apex predators, crocodiles and alligators face numerous challenges that threaten their existence. Habitat loss, a result of urban development and deforestation, is one of the primary threats to these creatures. As their natural homes are destroyed, they are forced into smaller and often unsuitable areas, increasing competition for resources and resulting in territorial clashes. Pollution, another major issue, can have devastating effects on crocodilian populations. Chemical runoff from farms and industries can contaminate their habitats, affecting their health and reproductive capabilities. Ingestion of plastic and other waste, often mistaken for food, can lead to fatal consequences. Poaching for their skin, considered a luxury material in the fashion industry, and meat, a delicacy in some cultures, also poses a significant threat. Additionally, human-wildlife conflicts are increasingly common, as crocodiles and alligators come into closer contact with human settlements, often leading to lethal outcomes for these misunderstood creatures. But all is not lost. There are ongoing conservation efforts worldwide aimed at protecting these iconic reptiles. These include habitat preservation and restoration, strict enforcement of anti-poaching laws, and public education programs to raise awareness about the importance of crocodiles and alligators in maintaining ecological balance. Conservationists also engage in monitoring and research to better understand the needs and behaviors of these creatures, enabling more effective management strategies. Captive breeding programs and reintroduction initiatives have also been successful in boosting population numbers and enhancing genetic diversity. So while they may be tough, crocodiles and alligators need our help. By understanding and respecting these incredible creatures, we can contribute to their conservation and ensure their survival for generations to come.